Hi everyone, it's Jerry and I am going to be reviewing for you and giving you some information on the YETI Tundra 35. Now this guy here is a great size, I find, because it is capable of being able to be handled by one person or two people. A lot of the YETI coolers end up being so big you got to have two people or some wheels to drag it around. This one really is great because it kind of allows you to hold up 20 cans plus ice. That kind of gives you the 2-to-1 ratio of cans versus ice to kind of give you an idea of the inside. It says it's a 35, could hold up to 35 cans, but then it doesn't leave any room for the ice. So you want to make sure you keep that in mind. It's got their patented T-Rex handles on the front here. Very durable, very strong, much like other YETI products are. Open this up here. You've got the nice embossing on the back here. Comes with one dry goods bag here on the top here. This comes with every single one of these. Now, it does not come with the divider. You can get a divider if you want to have that, but they do come with this dry storage there, insulated, and again, the thick wall construction on all that. Very well built. They've really come a long way with these things and thought of a lot of things like the anti-skid on the top. Speaking of anti-skid, the bottom of this, the Bigfoot on the bottom, these things are anti-skid on the bottom. I can push this thing back and forth. They've got rubberized feet on the bottom, including their name embossed on the bottom, and that shows quality control. When they're putting names on stuff that isn't even there, you're never going to see it, but you know it's there. So that's a really great feature there. All in all, I'm really liking this cooler. This one comes in kind of a blue wave color on this. I like the color, but it comes in a variety of other colors should you choose to do that. And again, strong ropes, strong handles, and the vortex drain on the side allows you to, even if it is full, to go ahead and pop that off and go ahead and drain it out real quick. Just by taking out partial way, it will drain slowly, or you can pop the whole thing out and it drains fast. I mean, they've really thought of everything with this, and it should keep your drinks cold for up to a week or longer. And I'm really impressed and excited to try it out.